Key factors in essential oil massage: penetration, adherence, and softness. Penetration refers to the grasp of pressure. The pressure should be gradually applied from light to heavy. Allow the pressure to help the essential oil penetrate into the muscles, leading it through the meridians. Adherence reflects the fluidity of the massage. The key is the connection between each technique. There should be no disjointed feeling between techniques. For instance, if you're massaging the lower back, suddenly moving to the shoulders can create a jumpy sensation. Softness means avoiding stiffness. Stiffness is the worst experience in essential oil massage. Apply force where needed, and relax where force isn't necessary. Whether it's massage or essential oils, to achieve a silky smooth sensation, practice is essential. So, don't rush. Get practicing.